Hey friends, if you wish to learn about OneDrive settings in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, you'll find the OneDrive icon here. Right click on the OneDrive icon and then select settings from the menu. Click on settings. Now, the first one is the sync and backup settings. Whether you wish to save photos from devices or not, or capture screenshots to OneDrive or not. Now, these are sensitive settings because we take random screenshots of the system. And power syncing when it's in battery saver mode, or power syncing when it's in metered network. Now, in my case, I prefer to stay with the default settings because they are safer. Now you can also manage your OneDrive account from here, in which you can unlink this account or add a new account. You can manage notifications and also know more about the OneDrive system on your computer, the OneDrive ID and the version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.